Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Zedott Baby Sachet. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Torrent Pharmaceuticals, Ltd. Zedott Baby Sachet. Uses. Zedott Baby Sachet is used for the symptomatic treatment of acute diarrhea in infants and young children. It's often prescribed when fluids and dietary changes aren't enough to manage the symptoms. Benefits. This medicine helps reduce the amount of water and salts lost through stools during diarrhea. By doing so, it helps prevent dehydration and supports faster recovery in children. Side effects. Zedott Baby Sachet is generally well tolerated, but some children may experience mild side effects. These may include skin rash, vomiting, headache, fever, or minor respiratory discomfort. If these symptoms persist, consult your doctor. How to use. Use Zedott Baby Sachet exactly as prescribed by your pediatrician. Empty the contents of the sachet into a glass of water or milk, stir well, and give it to your child immediately. It is best taken with food. How it works. Zedott Baby Sachet works by reducing the secretion of water and electrolytes in the intestines. This anti-secretory effect helps replenish lost fluids and brings diarrhea under control.